Shivani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today I'm going to take you to the lehenga counter. Before that, I want to show you lovely kids collections of the beautiful party wear gowns. Today I'm going to take you to the lehengas party wear collections. Low range collections. Before that, we'll see how pretty the kids collections are. Always packing. These executives are always packing work. Every customer will come, they will show n number of collections, and the purchased one they will keep aside. It will go for billing. Again they will do foldings. They will align. This is what the manufacturers, all the sales people, sales staff, they all are doing their busy work. They're so smart. They will understand the customer and they will show according to the customer size all the customer taste varieties of boy babies, girl babies. You can also purchase this party wear kids collections. One of the customer has seen only purchase party wear exclusive varieties from girl babies for the boy babies also. Lovely lemon yellow color also. See, these all varieties, they keep aligning it. Now she started giving me one by one. Now see, last video also she have given me n number of collections. Every time when I start the video here, she'll come and she'll give me enough. My customers will come and that time you show many varieties, okay? Hope you enjoyed. Nowadays kids collections are demanded. You can also plan and invest based on your investment, based on your location, city, okay? Subscribe the channel and there's a bell icon, just click it. We will go to mostly the lehengas demanded collections. You can also invest for the boutique business, 3 lakhs and you can have a setup. So for here 3-piece concept, 2-piece concept, all these party wear lehengas. Today I'm going to show you only 5,000 to 7,000 rupees of Indian currency of bucks. Only factory price I said. What? Yes, 5,000 to 7,000 rupees of Indian currency amount. Factory price, please underline it. I'm not saying here mentioning the actual price. If you want to know the actual price, take a mobile, take a screenshot. Numbers are scrolling on the screen. You can call our online team and you can know the actual particular product price. Why? Why I'm not mentioning the price? Every video I want to remind you saying many resellers are tie up with Kesaria Manufacturers and they are doing a business worldwide. That's why I'm not mentioning the prices. Let's have a samples here. All the exclusive varieties. If I talk about the bridal and side wear, party wear, all these haldi related, haldi functions, engagements, weddings, baby shower, and number of collections are more trending in the lehenga section. So all are demanding for the lehengas. So lehengas are selling into lakhs of collections for the one day they price, the bride wear day. For the wedding season, they purchase for 1 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours. But the actual price, if you want to know, the designer lehengas are getting manufactured in only Surat and Abu Dhabi, Singapore, Malaysia, US, Canada, and Colombo, France, Germany. All these countries are heavy demanded for only Indian culture variety, especially for the lehengas which are creating from the staff and the employees from the India. And India, one of the Gujarat state, is fast moving one. In that Gujarat state, diamond city and the textile city which is very familiar, which is Surat. So when you are planning for your vacation for India, please visit Surat also. You can purchase textile, you can purchase also diamond, and you can plan for your business. So let's have some samples. So quickly we can see the ocean blue color, very beautiful work, designer, very pretty. I can't hold it, but I'll try to show you. And there is a barcode here. The lehenga which is GP1628 pinkish, which is a code I have told you now. You can take a screenshot. The light subtle color, these colors are very demanded. You have a lining also. You have a can. According to the lehenga color, the inner can will be either it will be light brown or light creamish color, or either it comes in a white, and you have a inners. So this is not transparent. This is what the side wear and the party wear. Every lehenga you have a net and you have a semi stitched the blouse with the inner lining cloth to avoid the transparent. You can stitch also in this varieties where you can see, I can touch and feel in the camera. These all collections are very demanded, which are manufacturing in the only city Surat. And here you can see one more color which is a light military green color combination, I can say. And the layers you can see here. It is a heavy demanded handwork. You can see the layers are placed. Here you can see the sequence work, thread work, wiring work, mild. So it is all the placed actually. This is all the handwork concept. You can take a screenshot. According to this, you have one more designs on this. You have a beautiful design of this lehenga, the blouse semi-stitched, and there is a net. So these all varieties you can contact and you can keep at your business for the resellers, boutique resellers. You can buy these collections at factory price and you have a 4 margin varieties. And this is the pattern of the peach color. In this peach color you have a beautiful only diamond stonework and mild thread work. This is one of the pattern. You have a fancy tassel balls over here, very pretty. See, this is a handwork. This is a designer semi-stitched neck with hands. There's a blouse. This is also one more pattern. So one of the pattern. So one of the next pattern is half white creamish color. This is also very pretty. You can see only white based and ash color. So this is also very sequence work. This is one of the pattern. These all collections you can take a screenshot. Every lehenga you have a maximum, the highest weight, if I talk about the 10 kgs I can say, either in bridal or in a side away. This is only mirror work and the handwork concept, light lavender color. This is also very pretty. So all these exclusive all color charts you can find it in side away and the party wear lehengas. The next pattern, one of the ash color, one of the English color I can say, heavy designer. There is a multiple layers over here and there is a pearl, white pearl which has been placed around the design. I can touch and feel it. There are all lot of many pearls are there and the sequence and the handwork designer. So mild stones of the mini size stones has been placed here. So all these exclusive varieties you can purchase in Surat Kesaria Manufactures, which is located at Kamila Darwaja Signal Point, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. Shop will be open. If you want to visit, there will be a guidance and support from the sales executive. You have to meet at the reception point. If you couldn't travel, you can go ahead for online purchase, video calling purchase. There's no language barrier. There's a sea services, cargo services for every country worldwide. If you're in India, there is a COD options. So you can contact and you can add into your business. If you're a reseller of lehengas, you can plan for the, as I said, for the rental basis, there's a huge margin. So if you're retired, you can plan it. So next video we'll meet with new more collections with the informations videos. Don't forget in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. There's a bell icon, just click it. So regular updates, keep watching websites, social media pages. Next video we'll meet friends. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.